So for my readings, I was able to highlight the textbook like this, and I used the highlights to highlight the main ideas for me, and then what I did on my notebook, and then I scanned it and put on my iPad, I took away the main ideas from each page so that I had that idea and I would know what page to go back to if I needed to look at it. So this is going to be page 1 through 11, and I would highlight some keywords and some things that elaborated on some of the longer things that I highlighted, and this really helped me understand the content that I was trying to read. And this is going to be pages 6 through 11. This was really helpful for me because I was able to not only handwrite what I was thinking, but also look at the textbook and highlight it. And this chapter kind of made me want to plan out what I was thinking and really understand how important it is to set aside time for my homework, and say no and set boundaries. I think that was super important and something that I took away from this chapter. And again, these are the notes from chapter 1. Now moving on to chapter 2. We have pages 74 through 83. Again, these are my notes from each page. I would take away something, and I was also highlighting I would say I practiced not highlighting too much because I didn't want to get in the habit, and I've heard bad things about that. But that was pages 74 through 75, and now we're going on to 76. I think this chapter really helped me understand how important previewing is. And I know we talked about schemata and how important it is to know things before you really learn them. That was really helpful for me to understand, and definitely activated me to want to learn something before and really cement my knowledge. That was to pages 78, and this is to page 83. I also understood how important it is to make connections in your brain with what you're learning. That really helped me understand what I wanted to do. And those were the first 10 pages. And again, that is that for chapter 2.